If you're a Mac user looking to do screen recordings, you probably already know you can use the QuickTime Player. It's a simple way to capture high-quality recordings, even with voiceover. But it does come with some limitations. For example, you can't natively capture computer sound or include a face cam. Today we'll show you how to overcome these limitations using a powerful and free tool. OBS Studio. If you want free screen recording software that allows you to easily include computer sound and face cam video, then you should definitely consider OBS Studio for Mac. Many think OBS is only for live streaming or gamers. But we'll show you how straightforward it is to create a high-quality screen recording that includes voiceover, computer sound, and face cam video. Before we jump into the steps, make sure you have the following: Mac OS 13, Ventura or higher, and OBS Studio version 28 or later. This version has new features specifically for screen recording. Head to the OBS project website to download the software. Click on Mac OS. Now choose the correct version for your Mac, Apple Silicon or Intel. After downloading, install OBS Studio by following the on-screen instructions. When you first launch OBS Studio, you'll see an auto configuration wizard. Cancel this for now to keep things simple. In the OBS interface, locate the canvas in the middle section. This is the preview window where everything you record will show up. To set up your canvas, go to the control area and select Settings. In the Settings panel, click on Video and adjust these options. Canvas resolution, set to 1920 by 1080. And output, scaled resolution. Keep it the same as the base resolution for consistent quality. For common FPS values, select 30. Now, click Apply and OK. Look at the Scenes area. If the screen area is still black, then just go to System Setting, and in Privacy and Security, then scroll to Screen and System Audio Recording, and allow OBS. Head back to OBS. By default, OBS gives you one scene, which is essential for recording. Rename this scene to Screen Recording by right-clicking on it and selecting Rename. Next, add your screen capture source. Click the plus button in the Sources panel. Select Mac OS Screen Capture. Leave the default name or rename it as you like, then click OK. A Properties screen will appear. Under Method, select Display. Capture and choose the display you want to capture. Then click OK. If the captured screen appears too large for the canvas, right-click on the canvas. Go to Transform and Fit to Screen. This will resize the screen capture to fit the canvas perfectly. Once you've added the screen capture source, you'll notice that OBS automatically adds a Mac OS screen capture audio source in the audio mixer. This means OBS is now ready to capture your computer's sound. To add your face cam, click the plus button in the Sources panel and select Video Capture Device. Name the source, then click OK. In the Properties panel, select your camera then click OK. Resize the Facecam window by clicking and dragging the corners. Crop the edges by holding down the Option key and dragging to fit the desired frame. Position the Facecam in a corner of your screen. To capture your voice, click the plus button in the Sources panel and select Audio Input Device. Name the source such as microphone, then click OK. Select your microphone device and click OK. Adjust the microphone level in the audio mixer panel to avoid audio peaking. Go to Settings once again. Select Output and ensure Output mode is set to Simple to keep things straightforward. Adjust any other recording settings based on your needs. Now, let's talk about streaming. OBS Studio isn't just for recording, it's also perfect for live streaming. Here's how to set up your streaming in OBS Studio. In the Controls panel, select Settings. Then click on the Stream tab. Under Service, choose the platform you want to stream to, such as YouTube, Twitch, Facebook Live. If your service isn't listed, select Custom and enter the server details. Log into your streaming platform and find your stream key. Copy it. Paste the stream key into the stream settings in OBS. Go to the Output tab and select Output mode, set to Simple for basic streaming settings. Video. Bitrate. For 1080p streaming, use around 4,500 to 6,000 kilobits per second. For 720p, 2,500 to 4,000 kilobits per second is sufficient. For encoder, choose Apple VT, H264 hardware, encoder if you're on a Mac with Apple Silicon, or X264 if you're using an Intel Mac. Enable Rescale Output if you need to change the resolution for streaming. Go to Audio Settings and set the sample rate to 48 kHz for optimal sound quality. Adjust the audio bit rates for each channel if necessary in the Output tab under Audio Bitrate. Once your stream settings are ready, click Apply and OK to save changes. Hit the Start Streaming button in the Controls panel to go live. And there you have it. You're now set up for both screen recording and streaming on your Mac using OBS Studio. Whether you're capturing tutorials, gameplay, or streaming live events, OBS Studio gives you the flexibility and quality you need. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to AIM Apple for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Mac. Happy recording and streaming.